It's another delicious day here in the Let's Make Food from Food kitchen, and time for another kitchen adventure. Today we're going to make a fairly quick and easy recipe. It is pickled asparagus, which I personally think can be really good on a salad, or if you're making a charcuterie board, you could put the pickled asparagus on that. There's quite a few things you can do with it. So let's go over our ingredients. I have 1 cup water, 1 cup white vinegar. I have 5 whole garlic cloves that are peeled and trimmed. 1 teaspoon of peppercorns. This is a ½ teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. It is free of anti-caking agents, so please make sure you find one that has that. You could also use a teaspoon of kosher salt, also free of anti-caking agents. 1 pound of asparagus that I've already washed, and then I've got some fresh dill here. 2 to 4 sprigs is a good amount. So the first thing we're going to do is get our liquids boiling with our garlic, our peppercorns, and our salt. So I'm going to start that, and then we'll go back and trim our asparagus. So all we're going to do is just pour everything right on in here. Water, vinegar, peppercorns, our garlic cloves, and our salt. And we're just going to bring that to a boil. As soon as it comes to a boil, we're going to turn it off and take it away, but we're not going to cool it yet. Okay, now that that's started, we're going to take our fresh dill and put it right into the bottom of the jar. If you like a heavy dill flavor, by all means, use more if you want. You could also, if you like spicy foods, add some crushed red pepper or even a whole pepper that you slice in half. Take the seeds out maybe, unless you like that extra spice. So that's up to you. All of that is up to you. So I have my jar here. This is obviously too long. So what I want to do is kind of gauge where I need to cut my asparagus. So I'm going to cut it right about there, and that should be good. And I'm going to stick this in there. You could take another jar, and these are great if you chop them up for a salad. And you could just add more dill into here if you wanted. That way you're using all of your product. I think I'm gonna get a wide mouth jar. So many jars, so little time. No, not really. Okay, so those are in there. Now what I want to do is just wait for our liquid to boil, and then we will move on to the next step. I'm gonna grab some dill and add it into there. Okay, we're back, and I've got my boiled liquid here, and what I'm going to do is just pour it right on top of my asparagus, and that'll help blanch it. And then I will make a second batch to take care of this jar right here, and obviously this is a wide mouth, so I need to make a little more in there. Okay, so that's going to be a little bit of a pause. I've got more of my vinegar mixture coming, and I just didn't accommodate for the larger jar, but that's okay. We're just going to fix it like we would in everyday use. So onward we go. Okay, this next batch has boiled, so we're going to go ahead and pour it into our jars. So I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes before I put the lids on, and then I'm going to stick them in the fridge for 48 hours. You could probably start to use them at 24 hours. I like to let that flavor develop a little bit more. This is as simple as that. Easy, delicious, gonna be good. Thanks for joining me here today in Let's Make Food from Food Kitchen. From my kitchen to yours, let's make food from food.
That's one board puppy.